Okay, 46 new helicopters. I made them bigger now so you can see its details. 46 helicopters. 234 firefighting Chinook and the MH-47 on the right. Let's go each helicopter. I started controlling helicopters when I was playing in Vice City. The video game, Grand Theft Auto Vice City. These are the only way to fly helicopters. Helicopters are meant to fly and land on anywhere, like rooftops, helipads, hospital buildings, oil rigs, whatever. Let's go over each model, each helicopter on the first to the back row. CH-46 Sea Knight. No ramp this time. EC-135. MIL Mi-8. You got the SWAT version. European made helicopter. 46 each helicopter. And here, this is a tandem rotor helicopter. A black Chinook. And MH-47 with a refueling pump on the front of the nose. It has, this helicopter can carry passengers or cargo for the military. This is a firefighting helicopter. And this one's a commercial helicopter with multiple windows on its sides. It's a helicopter airline. Next, it's a coaxial rotor, a Russian model. Hold on. And you got the helicopter that is based in Vice City, AH-64 Apache, one of the coolest helicopters ever built. I love this helicopter. AH-64 Apache, just like in Vice City. San Andreas is kind of similar, however, it has one shorter cockpit on the fuselage and a tail rotor, an 8-blade tail rotor in San Andreas. This is a helicopter, a Russian-made model, a Sikorsky. It's very similar. This one is a Sikorsky vintage helicopter. And this one on the left, you have a no-tail rotor MD-500 McDonnell Douglas. These are the French helicopters. These are European-made, 3-bladed, just like the dark blue helicopter on the shelf right here. They're very similar. These helicopters, a 3-bladed helicopter. And then you got the AH-1 and the Z, which is a 4-blade attack helicopter of the Cobra AH-1. A 4-blade main rotor upgraded version. This one is a Puma helicopter. These ones are the helicopter floats just like Vice City, the Sea Sparrow. Sea Sparrow is a helicopter that can land in water. This is the amphibious model, R-22 on the left, and on the right is the R-44, which is a 4-seat model. Okay, here's the helicopters. 212. Here's the helicopters. Okay, on the next two rows are Bell helicopters. Bell helicopters are known for 2-blade and 4-blade rotor versions of the same helicopter, like 206 and 407 models. The Bell helicopter is famous for making a 2-blade and a 4-blade model of each of the same version. 212 is a 2-blade, but the nose is a UH-1 Huey. This is a civilian model. And you got the UH-1 Huey helicopter. 212 and 412. Like I said, 212 is a 2-blade and the 412 is a 4-blade model. On the left is the Navy UH-1Y Venom. This is a Marine Corps. United States Marine Corps. You got the regular 212 and 412. And these helicopters look exactly just like in Grand Theft Auto 3. LCPD livery, GTA 3 style. These helicopters come after that when you get 3 stars, 2 6-star wanted level in GTA 3, they fly above you when you get wanted level in GTA 3, just like these helicopters. And you got the one with interior, a Maverick. It's not a Maverick, it's a 206L. It has 3 windows on each side. 407 is a 4-blade model of a 206. 2-bladed 206. Yeah. Okay, so this is the OH-58 Kiowa. This is the OH-58D is a 4-blade model, just like the civilian counterparts on the first 2 rows. So let's have a look at these helicopters from over here. Let's see. Yep, helicopters are fun. They are much smaller than passenger airplanes. They're slower than large aircraft. They decide to carry cargo on the cargo sling below the fuselage, a crane that could be picked up. This is American, French, Russian, and German models. Okay, let's take a look at these. The first row, the 4. Okay, like I said, 206 is a 2-blade main rotor. 407 is 4-blade version. It's a 4-blade model, just like the Huey. Huey has 2-blade, a 212, 4-blade, a 412. A 4-blade is more quieter than a 2-blade. That's how the helicopter is in production, the 412, not the 212 anymore. The helicopter in production in Wikipedia, because 4-blades are have more performance than the 2-blade models. The helicopters. Okay, here's the Soyuz MD-500, not an OH-6A model no more. Not a little bird. It has the same fuselage design. Okay, that looks like Harold. I'm sorry. I'm not talking about Thomas and Friends, the TV show. Okay, let's have a look at the other view. Alright, that's all the helicopters I built. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Good luck, everybody. Yep, they have the same body designs. Here we are. Yep. 46 new helicopters. Yep. That's a total of 150 plus in collection. 156, I think. 160 in total. 40 more to go. Then I'll have 200 of them. Yep.